A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic escalation of diplomatic tensions, the United States has announced restrictions on travel visas for Brazilian judicial officials and their families. This decision, made public by Secretary of State Marco Rubio, is a response to what he termed a political witch hunt against former Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro. The unfolding situation has captured international attention and raised serious questions about the intersection of law, politics, and international relations. Rubio's announcement came shortly after Brazil's Supreme Court issued a series of legal actions against Bolsonaro, including search warrants and restraining orders that prohibit him from contacting foreign officials. The court's actions are part of an ongoing investigation into allegations that Bolsonaro attempted to stage a coup following his electoral defeat in 2022. At the heart of this controversy is Justice Alexandre de Moraes of Brazil's Supreme Federal Court, who Rubio accused of creating a persecution and censorship complex that undermines the rights of Brazilians and extends its reach to target Americans. The visa revocations affect Moraes and several of his judicial colleagues, with reports indicating that at least 7 justices have had their visas revoked, leaving only a few Bolsonaro-appointed judges unaffected. The timing of the U.S.'s decision coincides with Brazil's judicial actions against Bolsonaro, which have included placing him under strict restrictions, such as wearing an ankle monitor and being barred from using social media or contacting key allies. Bolsonaro's legal troubles stem from accusations that he incited insurrection and sought to overturn the electoral process that brought current President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva to power. The former president has vehemently denied these allegations, claiming that he is a victim of judicial overreach and political persecution. In a recent statement, Bolsonaro referred to Moraes as a dictator and expressed feelings of humiliation over the court's orders. The situation has become increasingly complicated as former President Donald Trump, a close ally of Bolsonaro, has weighed in on the matter. Trump has criticized the judicial proceedings against Bolsonaro, describing them as an international disgrace, and has threatened to impose significant tariffs on Brazilian goods if Lula's government does not drop the charges against the former president. This threat has further strained U.S.-Brazil relations and has been interpreted as an attempt by Trump to leverage his influence to protect Bolsonaro. The diplomatic fallout from these events is significant, with the U.S. State Department framing the visa restrictions as a way to hold foreign officials accountable for actions that threaten free expression. The implications of these developments are far-reaching, as they not only affect the individuals involved, but also have the potential to reshape U.S.-Brazil relations moving forward. As the situation continues to evolve, it remains to be seen how these legal battles will impact both Bolsonaro's political future and the broader geopolitical landscape in Latin America. The upcoming weeks will be crucial as both the Brazilian judiciary and the U.S. government navigate this complex and contentious issue, with the eyes of the world watching closely. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.